How to download YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium. First of all, launch YouTube app. Make sure you sign into your account. Then you'll land on this homepage. Simply you need to look for the video that you want to download and tap to open it, or even you can tap the search icon at top right corner and search for the channel name and search for that video. So you need to note that you can download YouTube videos for free only for those videos that are for free. Here when you tap on download button, as you can see that this is a premium video and only premium users can download this. Otherwise, normal users cannot. So you simply need to download only those videos that are for free. So let's look at the video. So as you can see that here is the download button, select that and tap on view button and then the video has been downloading. So this is the free video that we can download. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.